transistor. Bipolar junction transistor. BJT stands for bipolar junction transistor. Bipolar means two polarities will be there, positive and negative, electrons and holes. Negative is electrons, positive is holes. Absence of electron is nothing but hole. But in MOSFET, JFET, if you see, it is unipolar device. That is uni-junction transistor. UJT means uni-junction transistor. Only majority charge carriers will help in the current flow. But in BJT, bipolar junction transistor, both majority and minority charge carriers will help in the current flow. So in BJT, we have three configurations. Transistor means BJT, bipolar junction transistor, the basic one. We have three configurations in that: common base, common emitter, common collector. So we have different advantages. If you want more current gain, we should go for common collector. Moderate voltage gain and current gain, better performance in terms of voltage and current gain. Common emitter is maximum, mostly used will be common emitter configuration. And common base only we are required of voltage gain. Current gain is not our criteria, then we can go for common base configuration. And coming to alpha, beta, gamma, these are the gains. In CB configuration, alpha is the gain, and in CE configuration, beta is the gain. CC configuration, gamma is the gain. Gain means output voltage by input voltage. When you have a full circuit, output voltage by input voltage, that is called gain. Output voltage by input voltage, that is called gain. And in the case of CB configuration, it is alpha. In CE configuration, it is called beta notation. Gamma means gain in the voltage gain in the common collector configuration. Now coming to advantages, disadvantages, if you see, this arrow mark indicates whether it is NPN transistor or PNP transistor. Arrow mark is always from P side to N side. This is the channel. Here, this is the base. Base is of P-type material. Emitter is of N-type material, because arrow mark is always from P side to N side. Arrow mark is always on the emitter terminal. BJT has 3 terminals. All these questions may come for Viva. BJT will have 3 terminals: emitter, collector, and base. Arrow mark will be on the emitter always. Arrow mark points from P side to N side. So base is P-type material. Emitter is N-type material. So the other one also N-type material. This is NPN transistor. PNP and NPN transistor. NPN means electrons will be more in number. Negative charge carriers will be more in number. PNP means positive charge carriers will be more in number. But maximum NPN will be used because negative polarity, the speed, mobility of the electrons is higher compared to mobility of holes. The weight, everything is same. If electron is minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, hole is nothing but plus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Only that plus and minus sign will differ. The magnitude is same, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. That is the mass, that is the weight of the electron, or coulombs, the charge, coulombs, that is the coulombs charge of the electron or hole. But if you see the mobility, electrons will move fast. Mobility of electron is higher than mobility of hole. So preferably we will be using NPN transistor compared to PNP transistor. These are the 3 configurations I was telling you: common base, common emitter, and common collector configuration. 3 configurations. And now we will move on to the next slide. This is common base. You can see common base means base terminal will be grounded. Base is common for both input junction and output junction. Base terminal is common. You are connecting emitter and base at the input junction. This is a closed loop form here, and here this is a closed loop form. Common is base. Base is common for both input junction and output junction. Input junction is emitter base junction. Output junction is collector base junction. So this is about common base configuration. Common emitter means you have to make emitter terminal ground. Common emitter means you have to put emitter terminal grounded. So that will be common for both input section and output section. So this is the input junction. Between the base and emitter, input junction is there. Between the collector and emitter, output junction is there. So emitter is common for both. It is called common emitter configuration. So input, if you are giving a sine wave, 180 degree phase shift. In the input, if it is positive half cycle followed by negative half cycle, At the output, you will get negative half cycle followed by positive half cycle. That 180-degree phase shift will come in the waveform. 180-degree phase shift will come in the waveform. In common emitter configuration, we can see that more clearly. So input and output, it will be medium impedance level. Impedance level will be medium. This is the specific characteristics of common emitter. Common collector means collector should be grounded. Collector should be grounded. We are taking output between emitter and the collector. This is the collector terminal. I told you arrow mark will be on emitter. Arrow mark will be on emitter. So this is emitter terminal. This is base terminal, and grounded is collector terminal. Grounded is collector terminal. Collector is common for input junction as well as output junction. Input junction is between base and collector. Output junction is between emitter and collector. This is about the common collector configuration. These are the three configurations. Once again, three configurations. These are the advantages, disadvantages. Voltage gain in common base high. Voltage gain will be high in common base. Current gain will be high in common collector. Common collector, current gain, if you are very much bothered in your application, current gain is the main requirement. We have to go for common collector. Voltage gain is the main requirement. We can go for common base. Moderately, if both are okay, then we can prefer common emitter. Common emitter is the maximum used out of these three configurations. Maximum used is common emitter configuration. You may get all these questions in Viva. Now alpha, beta, gamma I was telling you. So alpha is nothing but output by input. Sorry, it is current gain. I was telling voltage gain. It is current gain. Okay, output current by input current. Output current by input current. This is alpha is in the case of common base. Alpha is in the case of common base. You can see in the common base, output current is collector current, input current is emitter current, output by input. Okay, IC by IE. IC by IE is alpha. IC by IE is alpha. Okay, then beta means in the common emitter it is called beta. Common emitter it is called beta. IC by IB, output current by input current. In the common collector, output current by input current is IE by IB. These are the current gains in common base, common emitter, and common collector. Okay, common base, common emitter, common collector configuration, current gains. Now, this is the relation between alpha, beta, gamma in problems in the theory. You may get small problems based on this. Advantages, common emitter is maximum used because it is applicable in audio amplifiers, microphones, frequency generation circuits, speed of fans, motors, timer circuits. We find application of common emitter. Disadvantage, it will have gain reduces at low as well as high frequencies. If we are operating at high frequencies, the voltage gain will reduce. Impedance is poor. Impedance matching is poor. If impedance matching is required, we have to go for common collector configuration. Common collector configuration. If we are connecting two stages, the output of one stage, the output of second stage should be matching. Output of first stage and the input of second stage should be matching. That is called impedance matching. Okay, output of first stage, input of second stage should be matching. Only then we can connect two stages of CE amplifier or CB amplifier, CC amplifier. That matching will be maximum obtained in CC configuration. So impedance matching is poor in CE. Only CC we have impedance matching, loading effect can be overcome. These are the things about theory. The three configurations, these are the things.